Hi friends, today we are going to look at usages of preposition. We are going to see the usages of in, on and since. Very important prepositions. We use this preposition in our day-to-day life. Let's move on to the lesson. Prepositions. Pre means before. Position means place it. The word preposition means place it before. Preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun or a pronoun to show a time, place, or movement. Example, a cat is sitting on the wall. Here the preposition on placed before the noun wall. It shows the relation to the noun cat. Examples, in, at, from, to, out of, with, of, for, on, before, above, over, under, below, till, etc. Prepositions of time. Let's see the list of prepositions of time. The following prepositions are used to show when a particular event happened. They are in, on, at, since, for, ago, before, to, past, till, until, etc. Usage of in. When we talk about a routine action or habitual action, we use in. Example, he met me in the evening. In the evening. We do exercise in the morning. We use in before months. January, February. In January. In February. Example, our school reopens in July. We use in before seasons. Example, I usually learn Hindi in the summer. In the summer. Before year, we use in. In 2006. He was born in 2006. Now let's learn usages of on. On is used before day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Example, I will meet you on Friday. On Friday. We use on before date. Example, he was born on 3rd April. 3rd April. On 3rd April. We use on when we talk about every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday. Example, we open the shop on Sundays too. Sundays. It means every Sunday. I go to temple on Fridays. It means I go to temple every Fridays. Every Friday. We use on before period of time like Monday morning, Monday afternoon, Monday evening. We use on before day on Monday. We also use on when we talk about parts of the day also. On Monday morning, on Monday afternoon, on Monday evening. Before occasional days or festival days, we use on Christmas, on my school anniversary. Example, this watch was presented by my uncle on my birthday. On my birthday. Last year he came home on my birthday. On my birthday. Before holiday we use on. Example, we go on holiday in May. On holiday in May. Now let's learn usage of since. We use since for an action started in the past and continued till now. Example, I have worked here since 2011. Since 2011. So I have worked here since 2011. Action started in the past and continued till now. Present perfect tense is used here. So till 2011, it means I have worked here since 2011. We use since for action started in the past and till continues. Example, I have been waiting here since morning. So action continues. I have been waiting here since morning. Usage of since. Beginning shall be name of the day. Example, I have been doing this work since Monday. It means from Monday I have been doing this work. So beginning shall be name of the month. Example, I have been learning English since January. That means from January onwards I have been learning English. So beginning shall be name of the year 2011, 2010. Example, I have known him since 2011. From 2011 I have known him. Meaning, I have been learning English since 2010. It means I have been learning English from 2010. Beginning shall be parts of the day morning, afternoon, evening, night. Example, it has been raining since morning. It means it has been raining from morning. Beginning shall be clock, AM, PM, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Example, I have been waiting here since 2 o'clock. Meaning is from 2 o'clock. We use since to refer an event in a particular point of time. Example, last year, last month, last week, yesterday. Example, I haven't seen him since last year. It means from last year. Beginning shall be name of the festival. Example, since Christmas. It means from Christmas. So festivals can be since Ramzan, since Onam. Beginning shall be past action. Example, I haven't seen Rahul since we came. It means I haven't seen Rahul from we came. We have developed a lot since we got freedom. Another example, I haven't seen him since he left. So we use since. Beginning shall be past action. So some exceptions we can see. 6 months have passed since I saw her. It means 6 months have passed from I saw her. 5 years have passed since I went to Mumbai. 2 months have passed since I resigned. Here we use since instead of because. We use since to show a reason. Example, since it rained, I did not go. That's it with me today. Thank you, students.